Hey Wanda, this is Paul Hitt with Grassfire Digital Marketing, and in this video I want to show you the 3 things that you can do to your website to bring you some more customers, bring you some more business. And I know we talked just in the back and forth in the chat of the Alignable group, and wanted to just show you kind of a comprehensive video what you need to do, and I'll point out some of those keywords and such as we go through this. Just looking real quick, just some quick research, there's a lot of opportunity for you guys, so don't know how well you're wanting to grow your business and how big and stuff, but there's a lot of opportunity just from what I'm seeing from the online side of things to get you some more business. And you're probably sitting there thinking, why is this guy taking the time to shoot me this video? But you know what I found is just that business owners just don't know what to do, and sometimes shooting them this video, just giving them a free attack plan, showing them 3 just tips and tricks of what they can do to their website, sometimes leads them to I'm going to show you what you can actually do to your business, and you can do this yourself. It does take a lot of time, and sometimes business owners just reach back out to us and say, hey Paul, can you help us? So I want to give you that free attack plan. If it's something that you want to just use for yourself, feel free to do that by any means. If you have any other questions, I can try to help you along a little bit. But if you're just like, hey, this is a lot of work, and you want to talk to us further about creating an attack plan and how we can do this for you, I would love to talk to you about your business and what you guys are trying to do. So no further on that. I just wanted to show your website and some of your competitors right now and what's going on. So here's your website. I've got it up. Like I said, you just don't have enough content on your home page here at all. If I look at, I just searched home healthcare, Sterling Heights, Michigan, which, you know, I pulled that off of your website, and it shows that Sphinx is in the #1 position. This is an ad. This is on the map pack section. Dynaflex and Freedom Home Care are all in the top 3 positions right here. This is where you want to be, where you want your business listing to be. And then if I look down in this organic section, so Google ranks this differently. You've got caring.com. This looks like a home advisor type site. They've actually got 2 sites ranking ahead. You've got Sphinx Home Care as a company. There's care.com again. And then Brightstar is down here as well, Care Pathways. So if I look at what those guys are doing, you know, I've got Brightstar pulled up. You know, they've got a little bit more content, not anything that you couldn't beat as far as like the amount of content and targeting yours to those keywords you need to. If I look at Sphinx's website, you know, it's a nice looking website. Definitely looks, you know, 2020, 2021. It's more relevant. Just looks really nice, easy to navigate. They don't have enough content either. So even having some video on there is great, but you've really got to have the content that Google's looking for. So if I dig into your website and what you've got 1 organic keyword, and I'll dig into that, and it's just for Walkar. And that gets searched 50 times a month for some reason. I don't know what that term is being searched so much for, and this is nationally. It's got a low keyword difficulty, and you're being found for position 33 on Google. So what this tells me is this, that you don't have the content on your homepage and on your website to get ranked for that. You've also got some referring domains coming from these 16 backlinks, but your overall strength of your website is just extremely low. Now, if I look at your competition, just to show you what they're doing, here's the Sphinx's website. They have 47 keywords. They've got 28 referring domains coming to them. Again, there's 118 backlinks, but they're not very strong. And so that's what this is telling me right here, this 0.3. So if I drill into those keywords, you can start to see, of course, they're going to get found for their name. They get searched 20 times a month. Sterling Home Care, that gets searched 20 times a month. That's the keyword you want to go for. Michigan Home Health Care, 50 times a month. High keyword difficulty though, so that's going to take a long time to rank for, probably over a year to move up into the first couple positions for that specific term. Sterling Home Services, 20 searches a month, 5 keyword difficulty. That you could beat this in 3 or 4 months. Home health care companies in Michigan, 30 searches a month, keyword difficulty of 12. You know, that's probably a 6 to 9 month to beat that. And rank up high for that. Home health care in Michigan, you can see just adding in there can change the amount of search going on. 40 searches a month, keyword difficulty of 17. Sphinx, of course, their name, Home Health Care Michigan. So see how they took out the IN, and that gets 150 searches a month, keyword difficulty of 23. So there's some volume there for you guys to pick up. And I know you're in the kind of the Detroit metro. You can target this to those specific towns around the metro area. You can target this to Detroit overall. You can target it to Michigan, just wherever you want to grow your business and how much volume you're trying to capture. So those are all things that you want to look for and target for those keywords. So if I look at this other competitor, Brightstar, I know they're a national kind of a franchise. We have one of those here in my town. They have 45 keywords. This is specifically targeting their Sterling Heights website. So you can see Sterling Home Care without the space. Again, those two search terms get 50 searches and 20 searches a month. Sterling Home Services, 20 searches a month. Then you can look at Sterling Home Health, 40 searches. So there's a lot of volume here for you to go get, but you need to do some specific things to your website to actually get that to work for you. Now, I also wanted to show you just if you look at the Detroit metro area, I did Home Health Care Detroit. There are, let's see, this Elsmar, you've got Henry Ford, and you've got Crystal in the first three positions. This caring.com thing I'm not really worried about because that's not even really a company. If you put them into there, you can see they have 58 keywords. Again, their website is not very strong, and you can beat that with just doing the right keywords and getting the right backlink structure. If I look at Henry Ford, 202 keywords, 17 referring domains, and this is specifically to home health care. Now, not their whole entire website, because I know they do a lot of other things. But if you look at the keywords for that specific home health care, Henry Ford Home Care, they can search 100 times a month. I don't have a problem putting this on your website behind in the name of a photo, because that's another way that we can, take your website, use an image like this or use this image and title that image right there, Home Health Care or Henry Ford Healthcare, and pick up that search volume for that. So there's little tricks that we do like that to actually get more volume coming to your website. There's just a lot of volume here. In-home care services, 100 searches a month. Home health care Michigan, 20 searches a month. Home health care Michigan altogether, 150 searches a month. There's just a lot. You want to target the ones that are specific for your state and your cities that are around you, and we can do that even further research, looking at what you actually want to, where you guys want to work. Looked at Crystal just real quick. Again, these sites are not very strong. These are easily beatable. I know some of these probably seem like really large animals because they've got 118 ahead of you guys on the keywords. Don't think that they're not beatable. I beat these sites all of the time with what we do. Now, the second thing you want to do is look at your citations. So these are all the online directories that your company's being listed on and your competitors are being listed on. And so what we do is I build in this local citation finder, and I just did an example of a dentist here locally to show you, but I can look at what your citations are and what your competitors' citations are. And what we want to do is figure out, like, okay, if these guys are in the high 30s or low 40s, then we need to match, see how this one doesn't have that Facebook citation, but these guys all do. So we want to go get that one, that one, that one, that one. So we match what strength that they have. And then I don't like to play around. I like to dominate. So I'm going to go add another, 50 to 100 on top of that. So these guys are all playing second place. And over time, you're going to be listed way ahead of them on all the online directories. So that's the second thing, are those citations. Third things are the backlinks. And I'll talk about that real quick. So you can see just for Sphinx Home Care, they have 118 backlinks coming to 28 referring domains. I can click in here and I can see exactly where those links are coming from. So Easy Local, that's an easy one to get. These are all directories online. Sometimes you'll see a blog post down here. There's a Chamber of Commerce one, big list of websites. And so I'm looking at what is this power rating over here. If it's 2, 2, 2, I know I need to go beat these with yours. So if I look at yours, for instance, you've got 4 referring domains and you've got no strength at all coming in Google's eyes. So these are interconnected websites that are linking back to your site and giving you power. And it makes a difference even if it's a Pizza Hut linking to your website. They know you guys aren't slinging pizzas for a living, so they're not going to give you as much strength rating for that. Google isn't. But if you have, for instance, a site that is a home healthcare service blog or a home healthcare service like a national organization that you're a part of, then that is going to allow you to get some power coming to you in Google's eyes, because they're looking for the authority in the area for the backlink structure, who's got authoritative backlinks coming to them, and also that content. So those are the three things that you're looking to boost your online presence, and really help you guys build your website, to bring you guys some more business. If I can help you in any way, I would love to. My name's Paul Heck. I'm with Grassfire Digital Marketing. I do this all over the country, and I specifically target what is going on in the local search market for you guys. My number is 479-326-7899. I'm in Northwest Arkansas, but I do this all over the country for people, and I can really help you grow your business. So I'd love to talk to you more if it's something you're interested in, how I could help you further, or you can just take this information and try to do this yourself. So let me know if you'd like to talk further. I'd love to hear about how you guys are trying to grow and what you're trying to do with your business in 2021. Thanks.